So I'm currently at a cultural exhibition. She made me come.
We're learning about culture in other ways than food.
Say that louder.
We're learning about culture in more ways than just food.
Yeah, basically we're eating food from other cultures.
I want to go back to the big pot. Just go. There's plenty left. Yeah, they had a big pot. We won't judge you. I don't think it's spicy chicken or I can't grab it.
Don't do that! Oh, thank you. So I'm back from the cultural exhibition and Sarah's concert. Oh, also, I should probably mention that it's Sunday. So I figured that I should probably explain that last clip because it made very little sense out of context. Basically, the girl that handed me the bird at the very end, before she handed it to me, she put it on my head, and it freaked me out, and that's why I started screaming. So, yeah, that was basically what happened. Hello, everyone. Whoa, son. It's currently... Alana. Okay.
That's what you always say.
I know, I kind of open everyone the same way. Shh. Okay. So, it's currently Tuesday. And I just got done with classes. And now Alana, who is over here, is trying to teach Michaela and I how to throw pots. She kind of already taught me, and we did it the other day, but I'm not good at it, so apparently I need to learn again. I won't be filming while we do it because my hands get clay all over them and it's gross. Hey everyone, it's Wednesday, and it snowed. It stopped, but like there's snow on the ground, and also now I'm trying to navigate my way through this building using backway tunnel things, and I'm not quite sure where I am. That's the children's room. Okay. So I drove here in the snow, and I've never done that before, so that was pretty cool. And I figured out where I am. Cool. So it is still Wednesday night, and work was canceled, but now I'm working my other job because the person who's supposed to be here didn't show up, and my friend needed to get in. And because I work here, I was like, I can just get the keys and let you in. So now I'm sitting here until 9, because that's when they technically close. Here is friend. Friend.
Oh no, monsieur, no, no, no. It is not on the menu.
Well, why are you standing that way then? Pull your private parts in.
Oui, monsieur. I have the bad posture.
No, it's shaman in this way. I just haven't had a woman you don't mean yet. And your pasta upsets me.
I do not know what you mean, monsieur.
Kitty, please, I told you, I haven't had a woman in a year.
Oui? Prenez dommage, monsieur. And what would you like from the menu this evening?
What I would like is a good old American hamburger. Just rare with French fries and coleslaw. I hope you don't think badly of me by my order.
First in class, monsieur. Kitty does not judge. Kitty loves all the choices. She sees no difference between any of them. But let me put the kitchen of your choices. Hey, Mario! Give me a number 42 with grease and slaw, bloody. Anything else, monsieur? You wish from Kitty?
I'm joined now by Mackenzie Leo, who's going to talk about something that's happening in Dangerous Community as we speak.
Hey guys, so today is the kickoff event for Hunger and Homelessness Awareness.
It's Friday and I'm coming out to meet my father. He is in town for a hunting trip. Melissa and Miley. That's him. He just drove away. Let it be known that my dad just totally drove past me, even though I stood here so that it would be easy for him to stop. Okay, where is he? What are you doing? Is he going around? He's going around, okay. Runs to other spot. What? My dad's here. He's not on my phone. He's over there. I'm walking to meet him. I missed all of that. I'm sorry. I missed all of that because my feet were crunching. No, just vlogging. He's here. Hi, found you. Good morning, everyone. I am slightly distracted because I'm trying to watch TV, so this is probably going to be really fast. It's Saturday. This is my closing clip. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. I post a new one every Saturday. I am dressed like this because I'm going to a class thing with my sisters, and sorry, I'm just, okay. I'm gonna stop this because I'm so distracted by the TV right now.